In this video, I'm going to show you an easy battery fix if your Kodak camera won't turn on. Let's get your camera powered up again quickly. First, remove the battery from your Kodak camera and check it for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you see corrosion on the battery contacts or inside the battery compartment, gently clean it with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Make sure the battery is fully charged, or try using a fresh, fully charged battery if you have one. Reinsert the battery carefully, ensuring it's placed correctly according to the polarity marks. If your camera uses removable batteries, check the battery door and latch to make sure it closes securely. Try turning on the camera again. If it still doesn't power up, test with a different battery if possible. If these steps don't work, the issue might be internal, and you may need to contact Kodak support or a technician. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy camera fixes.